Now we're going to be talking about light. Light is the only thing you see. All visible objects either emit or reflect light. Almost everything we see is made visible by the light it reflects. Some material, like air, water, or window glass, allow light to pass through it. Other material, like paper, frosted glass, allow the passage of light, but in diffused directions, so we can't see objects through them. By the end of this lesson, you should have this down. Scientists now agree that light has a dual nature, part particle and part wave. Light has been studied for thousands of years. Some ancient Greek philosophers thought that light consists of tiny particles, which enter the eye to create the sensation of vision. Others thought that vision resulted from streamers or filaments emitted by the eye making contact with an object. So the idea was that if something gets caught in your eye, you can see something, then there's these little flashes, and that creates the image. Up until the time of Newton and beyond, most philosophers and scientists thought that light consisted of particles. However, one Greek, Empedocles, thought that light traveled in waves. One of Newton's contemporaries, the Dutch scientist Christian Huygens, also argued that light is a wave. Here you can see sort of like a water wave. If you imagine a tub that's flat and you drop a penny in it, you'll get these circles that are emitting outwards, these concentric circles. So this is what we're talking about when we talk about light being a wave. It's that it's acting like a wave. The particle theory was supported by the fact that light seemed to move in straight lines instead of spreading out like waves do. So here you can see the wave is spreading out in all directions, but light is moving in one direction. So the thought was that it can't be particles, or it can't be waves, it must be particles. Huygens showed that under some circumstances, light does spread out, and other scientists found evidence to support the wave theory. The wave theory became the accepted theory in the 19th century, about 200 years after Huygens died. In 1905, Albert Einstein published a theory explaining the photoelectric effect. According to this theory, light consists of particles called photons, which are massless bundles of concentrated energy, and that energy is electromagnetic energy. Scientists now agree that light has a dual nature. It's part particle and part wave.